Discover how 90% people suffering from chronic joints pain, neck, back, and frozen shoulder pains experienced remarkable long lasting relief. Here is an amazing story of how Mrs. Sheshadri's 10 years old chronic neck pain and back pain got completely relieved. I am Dr. Smita Naram, expert of ancient proven health solutions.
I am Mrs. Sheshadri and I had terrible back pain for more than 10 years. I had too many troubles. I could not go out of the house. I couldn't sleep or even sit properly. It became too difficult for me. I tried so many yoga postures, exercises and pranayam, but nothing helped in relieving the pain. My neighbor's husband got treated at Ayush Shakti. His walking and moving had stopped after 80 years of age, and within 60 days of treatment, he was absolutely all right. That was a drastic change. Hence, I also came to Ayush Shakti for my sugar, migraine, high blood pressure, but most importantly, back pain. Doctor suggested the orthodox treatment, and within the first 2 months, my migraine, high blood pressure, and blood sugar reduced. My full body pain is completely gone. There is slight difficulty in sitting and standing up, but otherwise, I don't feel any pain.
In last 32 years, expert Ayush Shakti doctors have helped more than 300,000 people, yes, more than 3 lakh people from 108 countries suffering from chronic joints pain and stiffness. Ancient 2500 years old lineage of Siddhaveda believes that excessive air bubbles deposited in the joints creates pop-up sound, pain and stiffness, and excessive toxins piled up creates blockages, inflammation and degeneration of joints.
Ayush Shakti's Arshaks program is 100% natural. It focuses on pulling out toxins and air bubbles from the deeper tissues. It gives long-lasting relief from pain, inflammation and stiffness that promotes strong joints and increasing your mobility and flexibility so that you experience painless and sound sleep.
An Ayush Shakti doctor will guide you personally for the right diet, customized herbal remedy, detox plan and pain relieving pressure points.
Are you tired of trying everything out and nothing is really working for you when it comes to severe joint pains? Well, here is how you can help yourself in experiencing long and lasting relief from your chronic pain by booking a consultation with an expert Ayush Shakti doctor.
Yeah, myself Prashant Naik. I am staying at Kandivali, Sapphire Heights, Lokhandwala East, Mumbai. My age is 42. I have problem low back pain, L4 and L5. That time I had done ozone therapy. It's a new therapy. But after 1 week or after 15 days, I am not okay after ozone therapy. I think I was read Ayush Shakti from Times of India. Then I come here and take a treatment Ayush Shakti for 1 month course. Really, it's a awesome treatment. Ayurveda is Ayurveda. After 15 days, I am completely 50 to 75% relief after Ayush Shakti treatment. Then complete my course, then 100% cure. And the L4 and L5 problem is totally curable. I believe Ayurveda, only Ayurveda. Thank you.
As per 3 international research papers published in US-based scientific journals, it is proven that Ayush Shakti's Arthrox treatment helped to reduce chronic pain safely, and 90% people on the program felt more relaxed and energized by getting rid from habit of taking painkillers, and even they got significant relief from pain and inflammation. Even X-ray shows repair in bones and cartilages.
Based on this research, we are confident that Ayush Shakti's practitioner will help you to create a significant improvement in your chronic pain and stiffness in just 60 days.
Hello, my name is Ayushi Andrea Kosaro. I come from Germany and I'm 48 years old. I come here because in the last years I suffered a lot of migraine, back pain, and I was in the last year very energyless and weakless. I had in the last year 2 accidents with my feet. First the right and then the left feet. I get more weight and sometimes I felt like an old woman. This clinic is for me the best what I could do. All the treatments are beautiful. My energy, I have more energy now and my weakness is away. I do yoga here in the week. I feel so much better than for 3 weeks ago.
Now you have seen the results. You can definitely overcome the chronic and unbearable pain and feel more independent than ever by taking a consultation with an Ayush Shakti doctor. Just by clicking the link below can help you change your life forever.
For how long do you want to be dependent on temporary painkillers? And how long do you want to wait until it damages your system? We care for you and would like to hold your hands to help you in your path of healing.
I'm Shanavaza Srimarka. About this Ayush Shakti Center Health Clinic, I got to know in the papers of Mumbai Mirror. I had a real severe problem of my spondylitis and my back problem. I did a number of treatment, but with that it was just a temporary relief. And I was getting back to square one with all the pain and agony. Pain, I can tell you, like when I used to sit, without pointing out, I could say verbally where exactly and what point my pain was. But today when I'm sitting here and talking, I can feel my body is so loose, so relaxed. That stiffness which I used to feel, the stress which I could feel in my spine, my spondylitis, today I feel like a little rubber doll, so flexible, light, and I think I'm mentally very happy, very contented.
So here is your last chance on grabbing the opportunity for helping yourself on this powerful healing path. Go ahead and click on the link below.